Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy. Take a ride in the 2023 Explorer. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.3-liter engine, and comes with an automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 3,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, turbocharged, blind spot monitor, electronic stability control, heated mirrors, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, remote engine start, power lift gate. Inside you'll find backup camera, heated steering wheel, smart device integration, keyless entry, rear AC, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, heated front seats. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.